Right, welcome to all. Now we are going to discuss about assignment 2 of 9th class maths. See the first question. If the polynomials ax cube, so let it be some px, ax cube plus 3x square minus 13, okay, and let another one be q of x is equal to 2x cube minus 5x, 2x cube minus 5x plus a, are divided by x minus 2 leaves the same remainder. When p of x and q of x are divided by x minus 2 leaves the same remainder. What is remainder theorem? When p of x is divided by x minus a, remainder is p of a. When p of x be any polynomial, when p of x is divided by x minus a, remainder is p of a. Now p of x and q of x are divided by x minus 2 leaves same remainder. That means p of 2 is equal to q of 2. P of 2 is equal to q of 2. So this implies, what is p of 2? Substitute 2 here. 8a plus 12 minus 13 is equal to q of 2. 16 minus 10 plus a. So this implies transpose a. So 7a, here minus 1 and here 6. So 7 is equal to 7. This implies a is equal to 1. A is equal to 1. Let's go through this. Mainly remainder theorem. P of x be any polynomial, when p of x is divided by x minus a, remainder is p of a. Right, see the second question. When a polynomial, let it be p of x is equal to 2x cube plus 3x square plus ax plus b. P of x is divided by x minus 2 leaves remainder 2, and if it is divided by x plus 2 leaves remainder minus 2. P of x divided by x minus 2, remainder is equal to 2. P of x divided by x plus 2, remainder is equal to minus 2. But by remainder theorem, P of x divided by x minus 2, remainder is p of 2, and P of x is divided by x plus 2, remainder is p of minus 2. So now p of 2 is equal to 2 and p of minus 2 is equal to minus 2. Therefore, p of 2 is equal to, let it be 1. P of 2 is equal to 2 and p of minus 2 is equal to minus 2 from 1. Okay, now simplify these equations, you will get a and b values. Okay, right, once see here, what is p of 2? So p of 2 is equal to 2, implies substitute 2 here. 16 plus 12 plus 2a plus b is equal to 2. So this implies 2a plus b is equal to, this is 28, so minus 26. This is one equation. And p of minus 2 is equal to minus 2. So substitute this one also. Substitute minus 2. So minus 16 plus 12 minus 2a plus b is equal to minus 2. This implies this is minus 2a plus b is equal to, this is minus 4, transpose plus 4. Third equation. Okay. Now add 2 and 3. So 2a minus 2a cancel. This is 2b is equal to minus 24. This implies b is equal to minus 12. Substitute b in any equation, any one of 2 and 3. So b is equal to minus 12. Minus 2a plus b is equal to 2. This implies minus 2a minus 12 is equal to 2. So minus 2a is equal to 14. Minus 2a is equal to 14. A is equal to minus 7. A is equal to minus 7. Once see here, p of 2 is equal to 2. Substitute 2. So 8 2s are 16. 4 3s are 12. 2a plus b is equal to 2. 2a plus b is equal to, this is 28, transpose minus 28, so minus 26, equation 2. P of minus 2 is equal to minus 2. Substitute minus 2, minus 8 into 2, minus 16, this is 4 3s are 12, minus 2a plus b is equal to minus 2. Minus 2a plus b. Here what is the value? Minus 4. Transpose plus 4, so plus 2 is the answer. Now equation 2 and 3, add them, 2b is equal to minus 24, so b is equal to minus 12. Substitute in any one of equation minus 12, so transpose that side plus 12, 14, so a is equal to minus 7. Right, now see the third one, state factor theorem. Let p of x be any polynomial, p of x be any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1. If p of a is equal to 0, then x minus a is a factor. If p of a is equal to 0, then x minus a is factor. If x minus a is a factor, if x minus a is factor, then p of a is equal to 0. If x minus a is factor, then p of a is equal to 0. Right? Now, using this theorem, whether x plus 2 is a factor of x cube plus 2x square plus 3x plus 6 or not, let p of x is equal to x cube plus 2x square plus 3x plus 6. We have to find out whether x plus 2 is a factor or not. So find p of minus 2. P of minus 2. If p of minus 2 is 0, x plus 2 is factor, otherwise not a factor. If p of a 0, x minus a factor. So p of minus 2 0, x plus 2 factor. Find out p of minus 2, minus 8 plus 8 minus 6 plus 6 0. P of minus 2 is equal to 0. This implies x plus 2 is factor of p of x. Factor of p of x. Factor of p of x. Right. Now look into fourth question. Find the value of k if 2x minus 3 is a factor of 2x cube minus 9x square plus x plus k. Let the polynomial, given polynomial, be p of x. 2x cube minus 9x square plus x plus k. What is given? 2x minus 3 is a factor. Factor of p of x. 2x minus 3 is factor of p of x. See, what is the 0 of this polynomial? 3 by 2. So, p of 3 by 2 is equal to 0. If x minus a is factor, p of a is equal to 0. What is a there? 0 of the divisor, polynomial, the x minus a. So, here what is the 0 of this polynomial? 3 by 2. So, p of 3 by 2 is equal to 0. Substitute 3 by 2. 2 into 3 by 2 whole cube minus 9 into 3 by 2 whole square plus 3 by 2 plus k is equal to 0. So this implies 2 into 27 by 8 minus 9 into 9 by 4 plus 3 by 2 plus k is equal to 0. This is 27 by 4 minus 81 by 4 plus 3 by 2 plus k, that is equal to, this is minus 57 by 4. Is it right? Minus 57 by 4. So k is equal to 57 by 4 minus 3 by 2. Take LCM 4. 57 minus 6. So 51 by 4. Once check this. Okay. 2 into 27 by 8. Okay, wait here. 2 into 4 times, so 27. Okay, na? 27. So is equal to 0 implies, see, this is 54. Okay, 54 by 4. So k is equal to 54 by 4 minus 3 by 2. Okay, take LCM 4. So 54 minus 6. So 48 by 4. That is equal to 12. Therefore, k is equal to 12. K is equal to 12. 27 by 8, 2 4 times, 27 by 4. Okay, na? 27 by 4. So k is equal to 12. So 2x minus 3 is a factor of p of x. Then p of 3 by 2 is equal to 0 by factor theorem. By factor theorem. Okay, right. Now see the fifth one. Show that x minus 2, x plus 3 and x minus 4 are factors of x cube minus 3x square plus 10, minus 10x plus 24. First let it be p of x. Given polynomial be p of x. X cube minus 3x square minus 10x plus 24. By factor theorem, find out p of 2. If it is 0, x minus 2 factor. Find out p of 2. So 8 minus 12 minus 20 plus 24. That is equal to 0. So this implies x minus 2 is factor. X minus 2 is factor. Now x plus 3. Find out p of minus 3. P of minus 3 minus 27. So this is also minus 27 plus 30 plus 24. That is equal to 0. This implies x plus 3 is a factor. X plus 3 is a factor. Now x minus 4. So find out p of 4. P of 4 is equal to 4 cube 64. 4 square 16 minus 16 3s are 48 and minus 40 plus 24. Check it. 88 minus 88 only. So 0. P of 4 is equal to 0. This implies x minus 4 is factor. Factor of p of x. Factor of p of x. Okay. By factor theorem. Okay na? If x minus 4 means p of 4 is equal to 0, then x minus 4 is factor. Previously we discussed about factor theorem. P of x be any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1. If p of a is equal to 0, x minus a factor. If x minus a factor, p of a is equal to 0. Okay. So here p of 4 0. So x minus 4 factor. P of minus 3 0. X plus 3 factor. P of 2 0. X minus 2 factor. Okay. Right. Thank you.